So, the new monsoon, how is it impacting sugar, and is it going to have impact on sugar prices? So, right now, the Indian monsoon has been slowing down as it comes through the country. So normally the monsoon runs down, it's going from June, July, August, September into October, it's moving down, that's taking with it the rain. The Indian monsoon is basically stalled, and it's stalled for a couple of weeks. Now, it's not unusual for it to slow down for a couple of days. It's been a couple of weeks. What this means is that there's been a lot more rain in one area, a lot less rain in other areas. You think about the rain's coming down, the monsoon is paused because the winds aren't moving it, and so it's just flooding in some areas and it's dry in other areas. So how does it impact sugar? Well, in the main sugar producing region of, say, Uttar Pradesh, huge sugar producing region, the rain hasn't got there. Now, sugarcane is highly dependent on rain. It needs a lot of water. Now, if it doesn't get that water, that then reduces the amount of yield. And so in the last few weeks, it's an absolutely critical time for sugar growth. So we have these models which predict sugar production based on everything from the price of fertilizer, economic models, FX, but obviously weather data is incredibly important into these models. And we can see from these models, it would have a big impact on the production of sugarcane. So if the rain doesn't come, now, what's fortunate is that this past week is the amount of rain has increased. So basically, you've had a lack of rain here, the monsoon's moved, and now it's increasing. And it's now trying to catch up. So hopefully, there's going to be enough rain to resolve the lack of rain that was the previous few weeks. Now, if there is enough rain, we believe that the sugar can catch up. So as long as enough water comes in, the sugarcane will catch up and it's not going to be impacted. But if not enough rain comes in, or the sugarcane can't come in, can't catch up, it could be a major impact on the sugar market. How major? So if we don't get enough rain or the sugarcane can't catch up, we could be looking at a 10 to 20% loss of production. Now, India produces around 400 million tons of sugarcane. Now, 10 to 20% of production is equivalent of all of Thailand's export amount. It's absolutely staggering. It's a huge amount of sugar. That would then have a huge impact on the price of sugar, and the sugar price would go up. We don't think that's going to happen. We don't think that's going to happen now, but that would be the worst case scenario. We believe that the monsoon has now resolved this issue, and we believe the monsoon is now moving, and we believe that the sugar is going to recover.